Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2007 Ford F-350 Super Duty lifted long bed, bulletproofed. What we're going to do is we'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights, and then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features it may have. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're going to see, I'm going to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details. But as you can see, it's lifted. It has the running boards, the tow mirrors, the rain guards, the fender flares, toolbox in the back there, tow pack. This is a US truck. Get the manufacturer sticker in there as well. Bed liner. Again, just get these angles. This thing is really clean for an 07. Truly is. Again, just get these angles in here for you. Down on tire size here in just a moment. Hopefully we can find it. There we go. Hopefully you can read that there. Tire size. Tires are really good. That in there for you. Get to the inside here in just a moment. Fog lights. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks. Sorry about that, guys. The sun glare doesn't help me out at all on this. But we'll get down here on the manufacturer sticker. You can tell this is a US. If it was Canadian, there'd be a little circle with a maple leaf right here. If it was Canadian, but get this in here for you. Hopefully that helps. We'll get the condition of the seats here. Again, I'll try to block the glare the best I can here. Tough to do, but I don't see any rips or tears. Third seat in the front row, so if you need to seat 6, you're able. The passenger seat here. I'm really reaching here, guys. Give me a quick moment. All right, we'll get the back seat here for you. Again, just trying to block this sun glare the best I can. So it has a power rear slider. Floor mats down there. Let's get some features up front. Again, just try to block this sun glare the best I can. Steering wheel controls. So there's an edge tuner up here. Aftermarket stereo, 4-wheel drive. The factory tow assist there. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am not a mechanic, but what I like to do is get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are if you're looking at this, you probably looked at some others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. You know, all of our vehicles, they come with warranty. You know, and I'd encourage anybody to check us out on Better Business Bureau and our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. That's huge for us. Sorry, trying to get that Left door is ajar. Okay, great. Let's get the mileage in there. Alright. There's the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. That in there. Aftermarket stereo there. I'm not sure if this has nav. I don't think so. Frankly, I don't think so, but there's all of that. Let's go back to the engine. I'll turn on some lights. We'll go down over to the exhaust. Let you hear that. Run along beautifully. Exhaust there. Alright. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. This is very new to our inventory, so if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like us to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.